So, good morning to all of you.
Good morning,
Good morning.
sir.
Yesterday, I think a fifth problem was given to you on the final accounts of the partnership firm. In this problem, it is again admission of partner is given. So, we are preparing the various accounts, trading and account, profit and loss account, P&L appropriation account, and balance sheet as usual. So, I am starting to read this problem. Following are the balance sheet of Amar, Akbar and Anthony as on 31st December 2014. Now, whatever may be the ledger accounts we are going to prepare, accordingly, the trial balance one by one we can read again, and the items are to be recorded to that particular account. The additional information is given, that is adjustments are given. So first of all, we can make the tick mark to the items which are having the adjustment. So on July 2014, Akbar has been admitted who has brought rupees 1 lakh for capital, for which the entry has been passed in the books, and rupees 40,000 as share of goodwill, for which the entry yet not to be passed. So the new partner Akbar is admitted on 1st July. So year ending is 31st December. That's why we are preparing profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account by two separate columns from 1st January to 1st June, and again July to December. So two columns of we can prepare for profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account. The trading account and balance sheet are as usual. So 1 lakh rupees amount is to be given by the Akbar as a capital, and 40,000 share of goodwill, and it is not recorded in the books of accounts. That's why the amount of goodwill is to be recorded in a different manner here. In the last problem, we are that is distributed this amount of goodwill between the two partners, those who are old one. But here, as Akbar is admitted in the partnership firm, his amount of goodwill is not to be distributed between the old partners. There is a specific difference, or the little bit we can make this adjustment in a different way. Then capital accounts make the tick mark. First item, capital accounts. Then before admission of Akbar, Amar and Anthony were sharing profit as 4:1. Now before admission to Akbar, the old partners are sharing their profits and losses in the ratio of 4:1. But after admission, the net profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. When the third partner comes in the partnership firm, the sharing ratio is become 3:2:1. Next, third adjustment is depreciation to be provided on building and furniture at 10%. So make the tick mark to building and furniture. After drawings and capital, building is given, furniture is given. So make the tick mark to those items. Then fifth adjustment is 10% interest on capital is to be allowed to all the partners. Again make the tick mark to the capital. First item, capital. Interest on capital is given. Then number 6, insurance is paid for the year ending 31st March 2015. Make the tick mark to the insurance from the last second item. From the last second item. insurance. Then seventh adjustment is stock on 31st December 2014 is rupees 68,000. This is the closing stock. So don't need to make a tick mark to this adjustment. Now give the heading. In the books of Amar, Akbar and Anthony, give the title or heading. In the books of Amar, Akbar and Anthony. Next line. Trading account for the year ended. Trading account for the year ended 31st December 2014. 31st December 2014. So make the two parts of the page. Left hand side debit, right hand side credit. Two columns for debit side particulars and amount, and two columns for credit side particulars and amount. So for the trading account, keep 7 lines blank. 7 lines blank. Then another account, profit and loss account and P&L appropriation account. Profit and loss account and P&L appropriation account. Now these accounts, these are combined accounts. So for debit side, two amounts column. One is particular and amounts columns are two. For first column, give the name January to June. January to June. And second column, July to December rupees. July to December rupees. Because he is admitted in the month of July. So July to December and January to June, separate two columns we are made. Credit side same columns, particulars, January to June rupees, July to December rupees. So this is the combined account. So for profit and loss account, you may keep 12 lines blank, 12 lines blank, and afterwards you have to write the other items which relates to the P&L appropriation account. सध्या त्याच्यात डिवाइड करू नका. ह्याच अकाउंटला दोन्हीना मिळून 15-20 ओळी जागा ठेवा. 15 to 20 lines blank. Then partners capital account. So capital account is opened here because current accounts balances are not given. So partners capital account. If both are given, capital as well as current accounts, then we can open only current account and capitals are to be transferred to balance sheet liability side. So here capital account is given. So don't open the current account, open the partners capital account. Combine, 3 partners are there. So on right hand side and left hand side, same columns,